Hi friends, welcome to Kidz Vidz. I hope we're all doing well. So as you know, in one of my previous videos, I showed you how to make a cardboard iPad. And I've been getting a lot of requests to make more iPads. And recently, one person named Jelson Ventura requested me to make an iPad too. So in this video, I've decided to show you how to make an iPad simply just out of paper. So the materials you'll need are a black construction paper, a gray construction paper, a pencil, a scale, scissors, black marker, glue, and cutter. Also, the cutter is optional. So without further ado, let's get started. So step 1 is to take the gray construction paper and draw lines on all 4 sides with 2.5 centimeters on each side. Now, you can use the scale to do the folds on each side. And fold it on the lines which you just drew. And after you fold it, give it a very tight crease. Do the same on the other side as well. After step 1, your iPad should look something like this. In the next step, we're going to work on the home screen. So, for that, you can either draw your own home screen, or, in my case, you can take a printout and squeeze it inside the pockets we just made. Now, we will glue these edges to stick the home screen inside of the iPad. So after the previous step, your iPad should look something like this. Now, we're going to make the frame for the iPad. So, we'll take our iPad and place it on top of our black construction paper. And then, we will mark the points using our black marker. Now, we'll connect these dots with the ruler and pencil. Now, let's cut the frame for our iPad. So our iPad frame should look something like this. So in the next step, we're going to draw the lines on the edge of our iPad frame with 2.5 centimeters on each side, just like we did earlier. I'll cut the inside square rectangle with the cutter, and make sure you're using the cutter with an adult supervision. So after cutting it, your iPad frame should look something like this. So then we'll use the glue to stick the iPad frame on the iPad we made. Now we're going to place the frame on top of the iPad. And do it very gently. And make sure I'm matching the edges. This is how our iPad looks like. Isn't it looking amazing already? Now it's time for some final touches. So let's first add the home button. So how to draw the home button? So first draw a circle. And then draw a square inside. And now let's draw the front camera by just drawing a small dot. Now let's flip it and draw the back camera and Apple logo. This is where the back camera is. So this is how my iPad looks like. Bye guys! If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you like this video. And also comment down below if you want more videos. Bye!